and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making something very quick and easy. Remember, Lavonne's Kitchen is all about quick presentation and taste. So it's definitely going to be tasty. It's definitely going to be quick. And with all these colorful peppers and things, it's going to have a nice presentation. So, first thing, I've chopped up some onions, I sliced onions, green peppers, red peppers, orange peppers. So the peppers will just make it pretty, although it will definitely give it some flavor, especially with those onions. I have some smoked sausage that I've sliced up. These are a little on the spicy side, which gives it even more flavor. And I'm cutting up some red skin potatoes. So when I say this is easy, all you're doing is adding everything together, mixing it up, and baking it. I'm gonna put this in the oven. I've already preheated my oven to 400 degrees. And since I sliced them really thin, I'm only going to bake them for 45 minutes in the oven. So when I say that it's quick and easy, let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, everything's already sliced up, right? So I have my potatoes. I have my peppers and onions. I'm just gonna combine that in here. I have some black pepper, salt, and some extra virgin olive oil. I am going to add that. I like mine a little on the spicy side, so I put a little bit more pepper than I would ask you to do, but if you like it spicy too, then hey. Oh, and I have my minced garlic. This is what's gonna send it over the top, the minced garlic, because I put a lot of garlic in mine. This is what's gonna send it over the top. That's a lot of garlic for that. So, excuse me. And then I'm gonna add some olive oil. That's gonna give it some taste. That's gonna help it from sticking to the pan. All I have to do is stir this up. Mix it well, because you want to make sure that those potatoes are coated with that olive oil. Actually, you want everything coated, and then we want to get that minced garlic mixed all in there. Then I have a cookie sheet. I'm just going to lay all this out on the cookie sheet. And what I really want to do is put so here's my cookie sheet. Everything's all mixed up. So I'm just going to pour this on top of the pan. And remember what I told you about presentation? Look at those colors. I want to get all of this garlic out of here because, like I said, that garlic gives it a lot of flavor. So let me get that garlic out of here. So, look at the presentation so far. It's just pretty. Colorful things are pretty. So it's pretty. Look at that. Now what I'm going to do is just put the sausage right on top. Spread it right on top. The sausage has its own grease, should I say, or oils that will come out of it. And that's why I put them on top, because when those oils come out, I want it to seep into the potatoes and into the peppers and everything. That's why I'm not mixing it in. I want it on top so all that oil will drip down into the potatoes. So when I say quick and easy, that took all of 30 seconds to just add everything in there, pour it on top. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 45 minutes. I am gonna cover it with oil first. And 45 minutes, I'll be ready to eat. But while it's in the oven cooking, guess what I need you guys to do? Hit that subscribe button. All right, and I'll see you in 45 minutes. Okay, welcome back, and I hope while the potatoes were cooking that you guys went out and hit that subscribe button. So let's get it out of the oven so we can taste them. Woo, hot, hot, hot. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. This is foil. Ooh, look at that. That looks good. And then you can see the oil in there. So that oil did drip all off of those sausages. Now I'll just mix it up a little bit. This is gonna be good. You can always check your potatoes by sticking a fork in them and see how soft they are. If your fork goes right through them, then you know they're soft. That means they're done. Yes, this is really good. Taste it. So I made it a little spicy, and basically what it is some spicy potatoes and sausage. That's all, with peppers. There's really no name for it, just some sausage and peppers. Sausage and potatoes with peppers. And you can use different types of sausage with this. You can add more seasoning to it, like different types of black pepper, red pepper, to make it even more spicy. I put the orange and the red peppers in there, bring a little bit of sweetness to it, but you can make it spicy. It doesn't even have to be spicy. You don't have to put a lot of pepper. You can use just regular smoked sausage. I'm trying to let this cool off, as you can see, because it's hot. Look at this. I want to taste it, but it's hot. And you know me, I'm always on here burning my tongue, trying to taste something because I can't wait to taste it. And then I'm sitting here burning my tongue. It's good. Oh, again, it was quick because it only took like 30 seconds to mix it all up. That's after you have everything chopped up. Put it in the oven for 45 minutes and you've got a meal. So again, thank you guys for joining me in the kitchen, and I'll see you next time on Lavonne's Kitchen. Bye.